Here. What is going on, guys? We're at my parents' cribbo, so I'm here with this wheel. Took it off for no reason, so I'm putting it back on. I'm about to grab the fuses out, the TSX too, because I want to see if all the dash lights or whatever the hell I have going wrong is that. Ooh, and I could get the brake switch and shit like that. Then I have to go to Acura, pick up the pins and stuff for the clutch pedal, because I got to replace that. It's gonna be a hot day, guys, but I'm trying to carry on with this vlog. Go check out all the other videos that we got posted, man. And appreciate you guys for all the love.
No.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta be the camera girl, man. Show these fucking tetas off, man. You gotta blur these out, fucking get demonetized and shit.
Right.
I am taking out this fuse box so I could use a bunch of these fuses just in case. I have a bunch of dash lights on. Obviously no dash there, but yeah. Kinda cool to bake inside here, bro. Ooh. And I just took out the brake switch right here because I have the brake light thing on. Yo, so back with the update. We're at the crib. It is hot as shit. It's got even hotter. It is 11:15 and feels like 90, mid-90s or something. It's hot as shit. We got the little kiddie pool for the doggo to enjoy some water. And we got this, stole this rack from my parents' house when we were there earlier for the vinyl room. So it's gonna be nice for all the vinyl and all the tools and shit. Need another little rack for all that. Hell yeah. All right, so after this, after I wash this down, Sky, move. Stop sniffing that. Stop sniffing that. I brought the TSX out. I'm gonna like take out the clutch master cylinder or whatever so I can put everything that I got to put on, because I got the little padding so it's not metal on metal friction. I got a new pin. So I shaved it down to try to fix it, you know, to make it fit the aftermarket fork piece with the hybrid CMC. But that didn't work, so I just put on the OEM one. Probably just a smidge too fucking thin so it vibrates and whatnot. I chose quite a day to do it, but luckily we're in the shade over there. Still hot. We live in life. We live in Rish.
Hi, gorgeous.
Okay. She thinks she's cool because she got a thrashing foot on that as a stain.
Yeah.
Should we start clickbaiting you, babe? So we start blowing up? How everyone else does? Start using like females and their girlfriends.
Well, you're just gonna use me to drive your car one day.
Yeah.
Once you drive it forward,
I had to do that video. I want to teach her how to drive a stick and then the TSX or whatever. I felt like a good video. I was gonna do it before the clutch went, but the clutch went. So yeah. After I break this one in, do motor mounts and shit, so it's not all boggy and whatnot, and it's a little bit more sturdy. It'll be easier for her to learn on. We'll do that. But yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna replace the slot pin with the cotter pin, just so I could prevent that vibrating and make sure all the bolts are tight, because I don't know, maybe some are loose a little bit. I don't know. Good. So, you got the thing between the clutch master cylinder and the firewall, but I'm not gonna put that on right now because I really don't feel like taking the whole system off yet again. Like, I just don't feel like doing that right now, to be honest. Got the little cotter pin, then I got this pin. This is the thing that I like shaved down, and it's probably vibrating in there. I gotta clean the inside. Didn't have a chance to, and she's pretty rad. I got another one with of this car. We're back with this vlog. Second day. Finally the light turned on. So I wonder if I look a little crazy. This is a continuation of yesterday's vlog. Today, she's interrupting me. Messing with my clutch pedal and stuff and the adjustment, because after I put in the... Shut up, bird. After doing the whole like new pin and cotter pin or whatever, it like, I don't know, made the pressure on the clutch a lot stiffer, and now I'm trying to like play with the adjustments, but I can't make it to grab any lower, so I'm assuming there's like some air in the system, or I just need to bleed it to fucking get it going. So yeah, I'm going to try to just move or whatever my intake manifold a bit and whatnot, because I am also replacing my knock sensor because that came in today. Shout out to my boy Brian. Hooked me up, got basically like $70-$80 off that knock sensor. OEM, they're like 170 or 180 new OEM, and yeah, shout out to my homie, hooked me up, because you gotta go OEM with those parts. I went Napa on my last TSX and it failed me within like 2 days, so yeah, don't do that. Had to go help her start the lawnmower real quick. As you can tell, guys, it is hot as shit. I am sweating profusely already. I don't want to take the whole thing off. Alright guys, so one thing that I missed, or like, I don't know, something I don't really understand what it's from. The sensor right here, and it goes into this harness, which goes into here. And I legit don't know where the sensor gets plugged into. That's one thing I just haven't figured out, and I just kind of left to the side. Alright guys, so looks like I made enough room, because this is I guess it's a 27 mil. I have enough room to get it by like this. Just hold it up, intake manifold, yada yada. Alright, like I said, shout out to my boy Brian for the new OEM knock sensor. I bled the clutch and I was adjusting the pedal underneath for a while, going back and forth, nothing was really happening. It kept going to a point where it wasn't moving at all, so it was like barely engaging. So I had to bleed it because there was like too much pressure in the system after putting in the new pin that goes in between like the clutch pedal and clutch master cylinder that holds it together. I think because that little shaving and all like the little movements I was doing, it just put pressure and air into the system, so I had to do that. Now it's grabbing literally right away as soon as I let out the clutch, which is nice, doing the aggressive, you know, grab. Now I can drive it again, go to work, put on the miles, because I have been doing my little pulls, you know, not like beating on it, slamming the gears or nothing yet, but I've been doing my little pulls, because you got to break it in how you know, drive it. So now I can really put in the miles going driving to work, because it'd be like 70 miles in total. I did that. Sweat a lot, car is feeling better. I'm happy I did that, and I still always got more to do, guys. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for today on the TSX. May do a little bit more, maybe not. Yo, the time is going so fast during the day, and I still need to get some sleep because I'd be tired as shit, which kind of sucks. Car's feeling good. I can drive it to work now, which I'm happy about. Yeah, hope you guys like the vlogs. Doing a bunch of little maintenance stuff and, you know, random jobs and improvements to the TSX in the middle of the vlogs. Not just do one topic video of one little thing or something, you know. Appreciate you guys, and this might be more, or this might be the end. Drop a like, drop a comment. Yeah, be Rish.